Hey folks, I just wanted to show you a quick tip that's going to make your learning within the Stile program a lot more efficient and better. What you will notice now is that you're going to be given a lot more Stile lessons, say 4 or 5, but they're a lot smaller each individual one. And the reason because of this is you might just have one question on a Stile lesson, and when you click the I'm finished, show my teacher button, you get automatic feedback. So hopefully this is giving you more feedback so you can reflect on your learning and make sure you've got sort of the basics before you progress to the next level. So I'll show you what this looks as an example. Um, we've got a question here, question 1. So which of the following statements are true? And we've got 4 options here. And commonly with these things, it's going to be more than one option. So maybe we'll say, maybe those two, they look pretty good. And as always, we just click the I'm finished, show my teacher button. But now we get some feedback straight away, okay? And the suggestion is, if there are incorrect responses, please click the oops, I want to continue working button so then we can redo it, okay? Because we want to sort of get these questions sort of sorted out first before we move on to the next content. So we just click this button. And we can unselect answers if we wish. We could rewrite things if we wished. We can do other things like that. Hopefully this gives you more feedback throughout your lessons. Look forward to hearing how you go.